Good evening, friends. Welcome to our channel Bull Run Trading. Today we will discuss on PLI scheme in telecom equipments sector, just announced by Mr. Narendra Modi, and which stocks get benefited with the PLI scheme. We'll move on video. 4G and 5G next generation radio accessories and networks, wireless equipments, access and PCP and LOT access device, Wi-Fi enterprise equipments like switch gears and routers will get benefited for the today announced PLI scheme. With the 5G, the four companies will get benefited. First one is D-Link and ITI and Tejas Network and HFCL Group will get benefited with the 5G implementation in India. So what is 5G? 5G is a fifth generation of cellular technology with the speed of 100 gigabytes per second, and theoretically said to be said to be as much as 100 times faster than 4G. The high speed are crucial for everything for autonomous cars to IoT devices. 5G has shorter wavelength than 4G, requires more cellular towers and cover the same area. South Korea, China and US lead the building of developing 5G. Over 50 countries in their countries. In this country. So 5G having some benefits. First one is connecting everyone. Second one is connecting objectives. And next one is environmental friendly and reactive and faster. These are 5 benefits from 5G network. And 5G technology driven by 8 specifications specification requirement. First one is availability and coverage, reduction in network coverage area, and next up to 10 years battery life and low power IoT device and up to 100 numbers of connected devices per unit area compared with 4G LTE and 1000 bandwidth per unit area and 1 millisecond latency and up to 10 BPS Gbps data rate and improved over 4G and 4.5G. These are 5 specification requirements. And next one, the evaluation of 5G. First evaluation was introduction of 1G. 1G means analog telecommunication in 1979. Second generation text messages has implemented in 1991. And third generation mobile and wireless internet connectivity in 1999, and 4G and next generation, fourth generation cloud and IP truly mobile broadband in 2008, and launch of 5G unlimited data capacity in 2009 actually, but it has to be not has to be implemented but not implemented due to some various problems. 5G already announced by Jio and Airtel. Vodafone Idea has to be announced now. So they have some difficulties to sustain. HFCL, D-Link, ITI and Tejas Network. These are companies get benefited for the PLI scheme today announced by Mr. Narendra Modi. So we will move to news and chart. So, government approves over 12,000 crores manufacturing push for telecom equipment. The government on Thursday approves a 12,195 crores production linked incentive scheme for telecom gear manufacturing in India. A move that will position the nation as a global powerhouse for production of such equipment ahead of 5G rollout. So PLI scheme has announced. After announcement, today D-Link got upper circuit. Tejas Network also closed their upper circuit. HSL, some correction happened, but almost all they closed their upper circuit, and ITC closed on their upper circuits today. So these are the charts. ITC has get benefited already in their share market, and HFCL also got their benefit, and Tejas Network also get their benefit D-Link also get their benefit. The 4 companies can be in our portfolio for long term. So you have to buy these shares. So I have to check the charts and then buy. So for D-Link and Tejas Network, HFCL and ITI, these are 4 companies should be in our one of the 2 companies it may enough for that. So 2 companies are D-Link and Tejas Network is preferable for that. So the both companies should be on our portfolio around 5% plus 5% in our capital. So in that we will discuss on difficulties also. Here the biggest challenges for India as to roll out its 5G network according to the strategic experts. So the experts are saying that to implementation in India, they need a spectrum. A spectrum is so expensive. And then next, finding space for spectrum. And these are the most difficulties and challenges in India to be faced with the 5G implementation in India. So these are conclusion and signing up. Ram Kumar. Please kindly subscribe and do like my channel and share to others to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Good night.